In this video, we are going to learn about the contact list grabber by using the bulk WhatsApp sender software. First, we open the bulk WhatsApp sender software and next go to the tools menu. Contact list grabber. By using this tool, we can export all saved contacts and groups in your WhatsApp account. Let us go to the process. First, we click on the grab now button and then next click on the click to initiate button. Here Chrome is open automatically and scan your WhatsApp web by using QR code. Next click on the grab all saved contacts. Here choose your required location and save your file. Click on the save button. Downloaded file successfully. Let us check the downloaded file. I was saved my file in desktop. Let us open it. And next come back to the bulk WhatsApp sender software. Next click on the all groups. Next here choose your required location. Click on the save button. File downloaded successfully. Let us check the downloaded file. I was saved my file in desktop. This is my file. Let us open it. This is my all WhatsApp groups.